At C5, we don't want to be the biggest bale bed company, we just want to be the best bale bed company. We strive to get better every day, and we feel like our quality is unmatched. The manufacturing process for our bale beds starts and stops in Kingman, Kansas. It's entirely done here in our hometown. From the first weld to the last drop of paint, it all happens here at Kingman.
I use these bale beds on a day-to-day basis. Anything that you can pick up and haul with a bale bed, I use them for.
We have bale beds from Alaska to Florida and almost everywhere in between. The independent arm action just makes it a more versatile tool. It lets you center or move your bale any direction you need to. The free float arm system lets you unroll your hay over uneven terrain. It allows the bale to keep contact with the ground all the time and lets you unroll your bale all the way down to the ground. The grab handles on our bed simply make it safer for you to get off and on if you need to jump up and hook up a trailer, and helps you be able to get off easily because sometimes it's pretty easy to slip. The dump feature makes our bed much more versatile because it turns our bale bed into a dump truck whenever you want, and ours is the only bale bed in the United States that does that.
In the ranching industry where I'm at, there's always a need for the dump bed in addition to always having a bale bed on hand. I think it's probably one of the top of the line bale beds made, and I think the construction of the bed is more than comparable to anything on the market.
The no need to jack feature allows anybody to use our bale bed to hook up to a gooseneck trailer because you let the dump bed do the work for you instead of having to crank on the landing legs.
I would recommend the Chisholm Trail bale beds if somebody is needing the ability to be able to use it as a dump truck and also an arm bed. To me, it's a more versatile bale bed than is on the market. I would say they've got the competition beat.
At C5, we have a reputation for taking care of our customers, and that's going to continue. We answer the phone 7 days a week, and we want to help people feed their cattle.
The reason why I'm a cowboy and not an actor. For certain.